All right. Dear Lord, what is going on here, huh? As the seasons begin to quickly change now, turning from summer to fall, the sun is going down earlier. The birds are going to bed earlier. Look at my lamb still out there though, eating. And it's funny because the baby chicks, they want to stay up. They're like, we are ready to roll. But the older and wiser of my rooster green legs and his girl hens are already starting to head up for the night. Manfred. All right, come on, Manfred. So I'm not going to put the babies up right now. It's not time for their bedtime. They can stay up for a little bit longer. I do want to wait until I get the other two girls, the older girls, up here to bed. What's he doing, CJ? Look, he found he's an acrobat now. He's a gymnast. How fun is that, huh? Oh, okay. All right, seriously, green legs. Green legs. Come on, eh? Good boy, Manfred, good boy. Look how good he is with the baby chicks. He doesn't mess with them. P-Dub, it's time to go up, girlfriend. Sister. Who are they waiting on? I see 4 up there, so now we're missing Blackie. Manfred, you can help me find Blackie. Where's Blackie? Say, Blackie! There's Nora. Hi, Nora. Come on, baby. You want to come see the barn? Come on. That's our indoor cat who used to be indoor-outdoor until we moved here a couple of months ago, and she's still terrified to come out here. She doesn't know what's going on, and there's been construction, renovations. Come on, Nora. Good girl. Come on. Come meet CJ. The kitten. There's Blackie. Oh boy, I think Green Legs is on the loose. Oh my God, they're all coming down again. What in the world is going on? Oh gosh. All right. Good boy, Manfred. He's not gonna mess with the sweet hens or the sweet rooster. Come on, Nora. It's probably all a little bit, well, overwhelming. It's overwhelming for me, that's for sure. I'm gonna let her be. We do have our new Dutch door, my most favorite part of this whole renovations. Look at him. And so I've got that open now for Nora to go in. And hopefully the lambs haven't gone in. But this is how it works at night. Green Legs, the main rooster, the head honcho, he needs to wait for the big girls to go to bed. Look at Nora, come on. Good girl. Let's go meet CJ. CJ, the kitten, a new friend for Nora. Come on. Good girl. This is our snowshoe cat who showed up, I don't know, 2 years ago at our special sanctuary home in Florida. Out of the blue. She was so teeny tiny, a little kitten. We did the DNA testing on her. She is a snowshoe, which is bizarre. Bizarre. Let's see if she comes out here. CJ, do you want to meet Nora? And to look up there at Manfred right now, just rolling around, living at large. Come on, Nora, come on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for her to come out here and meet the kitten. She's never, ever Since we've been here 2 or 3 months now, she has never ventured out here this far. Wait till she sees that little thing. OMG. We're just gonna have to like create a little safe place to sit down and observe it all. See what transpires, what happens here, right? What you think, Nora? Those are the babies. You love the birds. I know you love the birds. What do you think of CJ, the kitten? She hasn't seen him yet. What you think? Good girl. Yeah. Look at the kitten over there. Look at that little kitten. Come here. Come on. CJ. He says, what? Come on, Nora. Nora. Good girl. Yeah. What you think? Come here. You want to come up here? Come on. Come here. Oh, she sees the kitten. What do you think, huh? Oh my gosh. This is so fun. That's CJ. He just plays. He says, hi, my name is CJ. Nora, Nora. Come on, Nora. Oh, no. The lamps. Oh, gosh. This is not good. This is not good for Nora. Oh, no. That's Nora, and she's a sweet girl. Look at the sweet Nora. Oh my God. Jeez. You can't make, oh, there's no timing on a farm. It just all is what it is. It happens and it happens. I wish it wasn't like this right now for Nora. This is very not good with the lambs coming up from this way and she's feeling cornered already. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Cash, come on. You're okay, Nora. Nora. No, no, no. Okay, so I need to intervene now. Come here, Nora. You're okay. Come here. I got you. Here you go. Good girl. Oh boy, she's... I'm telling you. Oh, poor sweet Nora. You're okay, Nora. Run for your life. Did she go in through the Dutch door yet? Did she go, June? I hope she did. Now I need to close that door. Well, that was fun. Hope you enjoyed this little tour. There she is. Good girl, Nora. I'm going to close the door. You're safe, honey. Good girl. I'm all getting used to the Dutch door. Oh my gosh. I love it all.